Hello, it's Big Cheds, and this is part of the daily education series on my YouTube channel at Cheds Trading. You can find me, of course, on Twitter at Big Cheds and Bitcoin Live, where I'm a founding analyst. Today, we're going to talk about the concept of high and tight. You might have seen me tweeting about it sometimes. You might have heard people talking about it. What does it mean? Well, very simply, it refers to the type of consolidation after an advance. So when the price breaks out, it sets an initial breakout. And again, normally you have heavy volume on that initial breakout. You can call it a flag pull, and the price will begin to consolidate. It may do some type of a falling channel. You can call this a bull flag. You can call it a bull pennant. You can do some type of a rising wedge. It doesn't necessarily matter what you call it. But more so in recognizing that it is consolidation after an advance, so it's bullish. Now, high and tight, there's a little bit explainer here that I found, and especially talks about extreme bullish momentum, institutional demand. I don't know about that, but it really just the highlighted part here, when it consolidates in a tight range, instead of pulling back sharply, it shows that sellers are scarce and buyers are still in control. So, for example, you have a move up and the price consolidates in the top third, middle third or bottom third, right? You've seen falling channels go all the way down. It's not a flag, it's just a falling channel. It gives back the whole move. Sometimes it will consolidate here, down here and go. Sometimes it will consolidate down here. It's still decent, but the best trends, the strongest trends, the ones that have the best chance of continuation are high and tight, like here. Here on Bitcoin, we have the advance. Now, this is a weekly chart, a higher time frame look, and we can see that Bitcoin has been consolidating high and tight in the top third of the flagpole. What that essentially shows is after the advance that, essentially after the advance, the counter trend force is weak. The counter trend force is essentially non-existent. So in this case, the trend is bullish, the counter trend would be bearish, and really not even able to break EMA 8, high and tight. So when you look at consolidations after an advance, take a close look and see where they're consolidating within the flagpole, within that initial advance, to get a sense of how much latent or leftover bull force is, right? And this is the high and tight pattern. And this is part of the daily education series on my YouTube channel at Cheds Trading. I'm on Twitter, of course, at Big Cheds. And catch me on Bitcoin Live, where I am there twice a week, every Wednesday, Sunday night. Folks, thank you so much. Hope you have a great day. I'll talk to you soon. Big Cheds out.